You see, they have the new Series 2 surprise minifigures. So if you see here, these are all the Series 2 ones. So if you see here on the blind bags, they have a code, and you're looking at this last letter, so H.
Giggles.
Yeah, Giggle McDimples. Look how little she is.
Tangled in toys. Tangled in toys.
We're in the Toy Story aisle, and look what we found. The Series 2 of the Toy Story 4 mini surprise bags. So if you see in here, these are the ones in Series 2. And then this one that already came out, the Series 1, these are the ones from Series 1. So if you compare, there's actually some of the same. So if you look, here they had Buzz Lightyear, and then they still have Buzz Lightyear now, but if you see, he's winking. And then you see here, that's Forky then, and then Forky has a silly expression now. So if you see, some people have already got some of them. So we're gonna try and find, who do you want to find, Micah?
I see at Combat.
Okay, Combat Carl, or maybe this is Combat Carl Jr. I'm gonna look for Giggle McDimples. Aaliyah, which one do you want? Which one are you gonna look for?
I want the more control one and Slinky Dog.
Okay, let's see. So if you see here on the blind bags, they have a code, and you're looking at this last letter, so H. So if we want to find RC, we need to look for which letter? Do you remember which letter we need to look for? B.
B.
If you want RC, we need B. Let's see. Is there a B in there?
This is
F? So we're going to look for them.
They had a lot of D's, dummy.
D? No, I think the dummy one is F. See,
Oh.
they had a lot of the F. This one's the dummy. But we were able to find some other ones we want, right? A is, do you remember who's A? Bo Peep. And then C, you were looking for this one. Yeah, and this one is so little. Okay, so we could get some other ones. What do you say?
Yes, let's look for Forky.
Forky? Was he in there? No, someone got him, huh? Okay. Let's try another Target then. We went to 5 different Target stores, and only 2 of them had the Toy Story 4 Series 2 minis. We also went to one Walmart, which had the Series 2, but we had no luck finding RC.
These are the 5 Toy Story 4 blind bags that we got.
Maybe we can have Woody and Buzz help us. I have these magic masks. If you put them on, then maybe you can magically turn into Woody and Buzz. Look, we got Buzz and Woody. Hi.
Howdy.
Can you two help us open some blind bags?
Yes.
Okay, so here's one. We're trying to use codes. And then if you see this one's K, inside here should be Slinky. Who wants to help open Slinky? Okay, let's see, Woody. Come on, Woody, use your muscles. Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Is it Slinky?
It's Slinky. His head's backwards.
Do you see Buzz?
Slinky. Slinky.
Okay, can I see? Okay, so if you see here, there's Slinky Dog. And yeah, his head moves. Okay, so Buzz, I think that you're in this one.
Yourself.
So if you see this one's G, let's try and open this one and see.
See his name. Buzz!
It's you!
He's winking.
So this one is slightly different from the Series 1.
Because his hands are up and he's winking.
Okay, let me see.
Slightly different.
Bye. Wink. Can you show us a wink, Buzz? There you go. So this one is the series 1. So if you see his expression on his face, and then this one here is series 2.
His arms is up and then he's winking.
Yeah, his arms is up, like his arms are up, like he's ready to fight. Which one do you like better? The series 2 one or the series 1?
Series 2.
Like series 2?
I like that one.
You like that one too? Okay, so we have 3 more. Let's see, this one here is D. Do you know who's in D? No?
Come back, Carl.
No, this is someone actually that I wanted.
Giggles.
Yeah, Giggle McDimples. Look how little she is. If we compare her to Buzz, let's see, look. She's a lot smaller, huh? So there's Giggle McDimples. Does her head turn?
Is Combat Carl taller or shorter than her?
We'll have to see. I think it's Combat Carl Jr. in here. So we have these 2. Buzz, which one do you want to do?
That one.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me see the code on this one. So this one's going to be C. Actually, Woody wants that one. You should do this one. E. Okay, so this one's going to be E.
Forky.
Forky!
She got the real one. Look. See,
Here's
look for me since he's rare.
Yeah, but this Forky, there's a Forky in series 1, but this one is a little different. So if you see the expression on his face, this is the series 1 Forky, and then this is the series 2. So the expression is slightly different. If you see the eyes are different, and then the mouth is a little different, huh?
Who's in here?
So this is the last one we wanted. This is one Woody wants. It's C. Who do you think C is for?
Combat Carl.
Yeah, except this one I think is Combat Carl
Jr.
So he should be really little. So if you see, there he is, Combat Carl Jr. But if you compare to Giggle McDimples is still smaller. Does his head move? No, not really. So that's what he looks like.
Cool.
If you're looking for a certain figure for Series 2, use these codes. If you want to find Bo Peep, she is A. B, RC. C, Combat Carl Jr. D, Giggle McDimples. E, Forky. F, Benson, who is the ventriloquist dummy. G, Buzz Lightyear. H, Woody. I, Barbie. J, Mr. Pricklepants. K, Slinky Dog. And L, Buttercup.
Use these codes to find which ones you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.